Hey everyone, I have got some really important news for both my members of the collective and anyone who would be keen to be looking into joining our collective library. So there's going to be some massive changes. Now, first of all, before I let you know about the changes, my existing members, nothing needs to change at all unless you would like to actually jump over to the new model. So let me make it really easy for you. We've actually put it into 3 different categories. So we're now going to have bronze, silver and gold memberships available for you in the collective library. So what will this look like? Now, number 1, the biggest change of all is it's now going to be an annual fee. So we now no longer offer you a monthly fee. But the great thing is, it's actually a lot more affordable. So click the link below, it'll give you all the different options for you. But the gold option, which is the highest option of course, is cheaper than it's ever been. It actually works out to just over $19 a month. The other thing that we've actually done for you is we've now added, if you wanted tools, we've actually put 2 packages together. Now, all of that you can bundle up together, or you can just join the library separately if you want to as well. So we've gave you lots and lots of options. Last but not least, you can now pay by Afterpay. So if you wanted to use Afterpay for your tools or to join the membership, it is all in the one place. So we've been working really hard here to make that really easy. So we'll still be adding to the collective on a regular basis, which will be for gold members only. To be perfectly honest, as soon as I get off here, my mannequin is over there and I'm ready to get started on her as well. So if you've got any questions, as always, please either inbox me, email me. We are here to answer all your questions, and I look forward to creating more and more content for you in 2021. See you all soon.